Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Engineer Rizwanullah. Today we are gonna learn a new way to earn money online, and this is the simplest possible way of earning money online. So first of all, we will have to go to a website which is called I Love PDF, and we will open the website. So once the website opens, we will click on it, and there we can see a lot of simple tasks which can be done, and with the help of which we can earn a handsome amount of money. So how can we earn with it? We will select compress PDF, and then we will compress a PDF online. It is just something very easy. Like, we will select a PDF, and when we open up the PDF, like, let me select this one or this one. I'll click through it, and here we have three options, like how much we would like to compress the file. So if you want to compress it extremely, then its quality will become less, but it will be compressed highly. So we will go with recommended compression and click on compress PDF. So now our file is uploading, and once it's uploaded, then we will be able to compress it. In the meantime, I would like to tell you that go to our YouTube channel and do like and subscribe our channel. It's still uploading, and uploaded 84%, 90%, 91%, and now we will search Engineer Rizwanullah, and there you can see on the top, first of all click subscribe, and you can see all the videos there. So now our PDF is compressed, and we will now, and it's already downloading. That's great. And we have saved 40% of storage space on it, and now it's downloaded. So let's check that how is the quality. Yes, it's like we can select the text and all things remaining the same. Now the question comes that how can we earn through it. So first of all, we will go to Fiverr.com, and there we will search PDF compress. So once we click on it, we will see all the gigs available there. So only 135 people are providing these services, which means that there is no a cutthroat competition in this area. We can earn easily from here. So let's see how much is this person earning from it. Well, this person from Pakistan, and he is earning a very handsome amount from it, like 2,915 rupees he takes for just compressing a PDF file, and it is under 500 MBs, and if it's under 1 GB, he will charge you around 4,000 rupees. So here you can earn a handsome amount of it. If you want to learn how to create a Fiverr account and a gig on Fiverr, please watch additional videos uploaded on the same channel. Thank you.